YouTube just changed the rules. Thousands of YouTube creators just lost their monetization overnight, and most of them didn't even know that they were breaking these rules. If you're using AI tools to create your content, or if you plan to, you better watch this video. So YouTube just dropped the hammer on what they're calling AI slop, and your channel could be next. So let me break it down for you in plain language. What just changed, who's at risk, and what's still allowed. I'll even tell you exactly how you can use AI safely to build a profitable channel now that these rules have changed in the middle of 2025. All right, so first of all, what just happened? So on July 15th, YouTube rolled out one of its biggest monetization updates ever. It didn't ban AI flat out and entirely, but it did declare war on low quality automated content that lacks in originality. So they're specifically targeting what they call mass produced, repetitive, or inauthentic videos. So if your channel relies on AI voiceovers, stock footage, or automated editing without any real human value, you are at risk and you could be demonetized. This isn't a rumor. This already happened. It's happening right now. Some creators woke up this morning to demonetization notices and their whole channels have been taken off of the YouTube Partner Program. No ads, no revenue, no warning. All right, second point. Who is at risk right now? So let's get specific. You are at risk if your channel falls into any of these categories. So if your channel is an automated AI voice with no face or no human voice in it, you're at risk. Any repackaged content like news articles or listicles with no added insights, you're definitely at risk. Any copy and paste AI scripts with robotic editing, you're at risk. Any deep fake style or synthetic avatars pretending to be real people, your channel is at risk. These types of videos have been used to rake in ad money, and now they're being flagged and shut down by this new YouTube update policy. YouTube is making it clear. Automation without creativity is just spam, and they're done rewarding channels for that spam. They're trying to give us humans a chance, which, to be honest, I'm all about it. So let's get into my third point. What is still allowed and how to use AI the smart way? So here's the good news. You can still use AI. I use it. Smart creators use it. But you've got to use it like a tool, not a crutch. Your channel will be safe if your content includes your voice, your face, and your on-camera narration. You can use AI-assisted writing tools or editing that's transformed with your unique perspective. That's fine. That's actually encouraged in today's world. Be creative when you use AI visuals, but use it with context and commentary. If your channel has tutorials, reviews, or breakdowns with you guiding the viewer, you'll be safe. Think of AI as your creative assistant, not your ghost producer. The main point is to use AI as a tool, not hide behind AI and try to trick everyone into helping you make money from the YouTube algorithm. All right, section 4, this new disclosure rule that you need to follow. So here's something that most creators missed with this new YouTube partner update. YouTube now requires disclosure if you're using realistic AI voices, faces, or avatars that could fool viewers. You have to give this disclosure or your content could be flagged. If your content looks real, but it's AI generated, you've got to label it clearly. Otherwise, it could be flagged as misleading, and if you have repeat offenses, your channel will be taken down. And yes, that includes AI-generated news anchors, fake testimonials, and deep fakes without any warnings. So, be honest and label it. It's fine to use AI. It's being encouraged in these new policies. But you have to be honest and don't make your entire channel wrapped around AI. So, the fifth point, how to use AI the correct way in 2025. So how do you win in this new YouTube era? So here's my advice from running a digital marketing company since 2018 and having 10 plus years in the tech industry. AI is powerful, but authenticity and a real transformation, being human, that's key. Here's how to stay compliant and profitable. So you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm or outline, but make your final story yours. If you use AI video tools to enhance your visuals, that's fine, but add your face. But if you don't want to have your face on your own channel, that's fine. Use your voice and unique edits. Don't chase trends blindly. So focus, value, and especially for high ticket clients or services where authenticity matters 10x. Share your insights that no machine can replicate. Maybe your journey, your mistakes, your wins, your real strategies, step by steps. All of that to make your channel more about you. This is your moment to stand out. With everyone getting lazy using AI, you now have a chance to show up smarter. So if you're using AI or you're building a content brand, an agency, or any kind of digital business, this AI policy update isn't bad news. It's actually the best thing that could have happened, because now YouTube is clearing the path and creating a better playing field for creators who bring real value. It's helping us beat those AI channels that are just pumping out automated and voice-overed videos. So drop a comment if you're using AI in your workflow. I would love to know what tools you're using and how you recommend them. If you want more breakdowns like this, stay tuned, because I'm going to go deep into how to build smart, future-proof digital businesses in this new era. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.